Jumped out of bed, got in my car and looks like a chase. The waves knocked on your door and hiding my head to ask you a question, 'cause I know that you're an old-fashioned man. Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, 'cause I need to. Say I never get your blessing till the day I die. Tell the love my friend. The answer is no. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Marry you anyway. Marry that girl. No matter what you say. Marry that girl. We'll be a family. Why you gotta be so rude? I hate to do this, you leave no choice. Without her, love me or hate me, we will be boys. Sitting at the altar. Now we will run away to another cat and say, you know she's in love with me. She will go everywhere I go. Can I have it out for the rest of my life? Say yes, I need to. Say I never get your blessing till the day I die.